Now to remove the adhesive from the temporary tag, I'm finding that Gorilla Tape is doing a pretty good job of removing the adhesive from whatever tape Tesla uses for the temp plate. I'll just keep going around dabbing with the Gorilla Tape, getting the old adhesive off. It's annoying they don't use an adhesive that comes off, but I guess after baking in the Texas sun for almost a month waiting for the permanent plate, you can have the adhesive stay on the glass annoyingly. The Gorilla Tape is getting most of it off, and then I'll use either some Goo Gone or alcohol to get the last bits off. But yeah, that's working pretty well. Gorilla Tape was definitely the way to go to remove all this adhesive mechanically without having to use any harsh chemicals. Microfiber towel with a bit of isopropyl alcohol, and that removed any remaining adhesive residue. Subscribe for more Tesla tips and mods, and if you're looking to buy a Tesla, use my referral code in the description for the latest Tesla discounts.